morning.
Good morning from the messy hair people. We're going to check out the cafe and see where they got anything yummy to eat for us, maybe? Yeah,
Sure,
let's go and have a look.
Apparently the scones are good, we'll see.
Picking up the years I leave behind, getting in my car.
We wait for Pete to bring her breakfast.
Driving by the fields I used to run.
Ooh, quiche Lorraine.
Alright, the famous scones, not for you, Elliot.
No.
And first sausage roll I've ever seen. Hey, you don't have to.
That was definitely a big sausage roll. Look at this.
Of a town I loved, but oh.
Well, we are really full now. That was a big breakfast. It was delicious.
It was good, yeah.
Homemade pastry is just the best. Now we're going to pack up and leave this rustic resort, go to Exmouth and hopefully find some wonderful things there. We'll see you there. Exmouth, here we go.
Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night.
So we wanted to see one of the gorges around, but we just found this sign instead and it doesn't look good, so I think we're not going to go down there. Shame. Okay, instead we're going to Pebble Beach. Of course, it's a rough, gravelly road to get there. Hate those.
Oh, Pebble Beach, what do you expect?
Yeah, actually. Beautiful, nice, smooth pebbles. After the horrible corrugated roads, my god, this smooth road is like heaven. It's like driving on a cloud. Back to sand. Finally a nice beach. We can put our feet in the water. But it's gonna be cold, but I'll do it anyway. Oh, it is cold. Come Pete, come on. Your turn. And Elliot too, come. Elliot did it. Come here. You're a good boy. My engagement and wedding ring together, which I have to wear on my pinky because I think my finger has swollen up, so I'll wear it wherever I can. And this is a 10-year wedding anniversary ring. It looks so gorgeous in this sunlight. And Pete's 10-year anniversary ring, also gorgeous. And his wedding ring. Watch what happens every time Pete and I kiss. I love you. At Dunes Beach now, and the sand is so fine and so soft. Hey guys, we have a beautiful coral bay. Look at this. The water is insanely clear. It's paradise. The breeze feels amazing and the sound is so soothing. I want to stay here forever.